Welcome to our Swiftspace product snippet. Today we're looking at our Solo line. In this particular example, I have a 6x6 station in our Solo Plus height. Now our Solo Plus height is 52 inches tall. We also have Solo, which is 41, Social or No Wall, which is 29, and Summit, which is 66 inches high. The walls in this example are 6 feet long, but we offer walls from 34 inches all the way up to 96 inches, with standards being 4 feet, 5 feet, 6 feet, and 8 feet. As with all Swiftspace product, our Solo is designed to be set up and taken down with no parts, pieces, or tools, and easily moved and reconfigured. So let's take a look at how we would fold the station. The first thing to do is unlatch the gables. You can see under the gable, there's a metal latch that can be lifted, which unlocks the gable. And if we look underneath the gable, you can see that there's hinges which allow it to fold up. So let's go ahead and fold the left gable. And now we'll do the same on the right side. Now the gables themselves are held underneath the work surfaces with heavy duty magnets, so it's very easy to put them up and down. And once they're out of the way, then we can fold the work surfaces down. So under the work surfaces is a black rubber latch. By undoing that latch, we can lift the work surfaces off of this center bar and allow the work surfaces to hang vertically against the wall. Once the work surface is hanging, we can then fold the wall up using those hinges you can see right here. And then we will repeat the process on the left side. So let's go ahead and fold up the wall. So we've folded our right wall. You can now see the work surface is hanging and is resting against the center post. And now we'll do the same with the left side. Now the station is folded up and ready to be transported. In this particular size, the station is 11.5 inches wide by 66 inches long, and you can see it's ready to be moved through doorways, and its heavy-duty casters allow it to be taken over thresholds, dock plates, and other rough terrain. So to set the station up, we're just going to reverse the process. So we'll open the walls and set the surfaces back onto the corner post, starting with the left wall, and next the right wall. Then we'll pull the gables down and latch them. So right gable, and now the left. Now the station is set back up again and ready to use. The next thing I want to take a look at are the casters. All of our Solo products come with 3.5-inch ball bearing steel casters, which allow the station to be moved very easily and over dock plates, elevator thresholds, and other rough terrain. You can see there's a black latch. When pressing down, that locks the wheel in place, both with rotation as well as the swivel. And we also do have a locking plate that can be bolted to the bottom of the station to prevent the casters from being tampered with if it's for a more permanent installation. The next thing I want to take a look at is our power and data raceway. You can see on the bottom of the station, we have this large aluminum channel. Inside of the channel are 2 cavities. The top cavity is for our power and the bottom is for our data. Now the top we can run standard power lines through, but Swiftspace also offers a 8-wire, 4-circuit, 80-amp power system that can be hardwired for large installations. The bottom cavity you can see is metallically separated, and that is to provide 40 Cat6 cables for all of your data and phone requirements. So the Raceways come standard on the Solo, both walls have it, which makes wiring and reconfiguring stations very easy. You can see in this particular example, the bottom panels are our gray elm high pressure laminate, and the upper panels, we have a whiteboard, another laminate panel, and 2 EZOboard panels. We also offer clear poly, acrylic, as well as magnetic whiteboards and fabric covered tack boards. We also have an accessory rail on the left, which can be used for paper trays, binder bins, as well as task lights. Underneath the work surface, we can attach keyboard trays, as well as CPU holders, and above on the corner post, we can attach monitor arms as well as task lights there as well. The work surfaces come with grommets as well as an outside corner cover. If you have any more questions about the Solo or any other Swiftspace product, feel free to contact Swiftspace at www.swiftspace.inc.com or give us a call at 519-624-9974.